Okay, welcome back to week 3, and today we're going to be pushing. We're going to be a little bit reckless, and yeah, figure out. Oh, I just broke it. Anyway, the bulk of video, as you can see, it stretches all the way from that side. I'm not sure if it's in the picture. It's about 4 meters or so. And when it's new growth like this, you can actually take the thorns and literally just bend them like rubber. They're nothing. The moment you get to this point here, it's like a rock. You know, it's thick. And then, yeah, we have a couple of long ones as well. Goes like all the way to here. Very far. But anyway. And like I said, today we're going to be a little bit reckless. You can get a car involved, vehicle, will pull the bush, and then try cutting it. I want to see if we can finish this weekend with everything. That would be really nice. But yeah, otherwise, enough talk, work.
Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league.
Alright, so recklessness. What we're going to try to do is just to pull it a little bit with the car and see if the bush moves or not moves or breaks, or we just want to see if we can get a faster way to get this thing done. One by one. It's not working. Alright, let's do this. Hopefully nothing breaks.
Somebody like me.
I'm putting with my hand. Oh. Oh. My knot's stiff. At least I didn't make it hard to feel. I almost crushed my wife. I'm sorry. I love you. It goes without saying, don't try this. Okay, just to show a different angle. See there? Oh, it looks cool. It's off so it was laying flat on the ground. Yeah, we should have actually done it like that.
Take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before.
Okay, so I'm happy. Now we just need to cut it off, let it keep going, and then take it away. Yes! Okay, so just to show you guys what's happening. You see here. It must have worked. Alright, so this whole bush has been pulled over. You can see, you should have actually done it before. Yeah. You can see exactly where it used to be. It was pretty much touching that window over there. And so we pulled the whole bush. Let me just back up a little bit. Ouch. Pull the whole bush over. Yeah. So now, what she's doing, Tim is just cutting all the branches off, or drying. And then once it's loose, we have to get it into the 5-foot trailer. This thing is big. Oh well, that's 5 minutes from now's problem. What do you want? Hey? Marshmallow. She wasn't changing.
Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy.
Okay guys, yesterday we did very well. Actually, we're about to finish. And I only have a little bit left. They're gonna smash it. So yesterday we ran out of time.
No, he didn't. You wanted to watch the rugby.
Why would you tell them that?
It's true.
What you doing?
Okay,
What you doing?
I'm breaking up the leaves. Because our leaves made a mess onto the other side of it. And I don't want to leave it like that. So I don't think it's right. Someone else do it. I'll do it. Doing my neighborly thing. Okay.
Awesome.
You
See?
tell them how you do it. Label?
No.
Label? Just cut it, label.
Okay, so we're just finishing up now. We're just taking our leaves back for what, 10, 20 years? Whatever it was.
I have a longer trees a bit.
As well, yeah, forever.
Decomposed already.
Forever. So, you're wearing a big hoodie?
Yes, because everything comes in cuts.
Alright, so I can't show from the beginning, but yeah, it looks pretty clean. Go here. It's very clean. So this tree we definitely saying is a beautiful tree. Beautiful pine something, I don't know. Those that know, maybe just put it in the description. Tell me what it is, as a comment, I don't know. Anyway, and then you go all the way down here. See, there's nothing here for us to clean. By the way, ouch, by the way, that's from the bricks, from the front. A lot of bricks. Didn't really count them, was palm sucking figures. How many bricks it is. So you see that at the end, there's a bush. The bush needs to be cleared out as well, but that is a quick one-day story. There's not going to be a lot of stuff to do there. So we'll do that next weekend, yes. And then after that, we can actually start with the fence. That'll be cool. But guys, always, thank you for joining us. We appreciate it. Hey? Bye. Bye-bye, guys. Till next time. Oh, remember, like, subscribe.